Hello friends, welcome back. This is Ethical, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to work with SmartArt in Microsoft Word. Alright, so first thing first, what is SmartArt? SmartArt has to do with the range of graphics available in Microsoft Word that we can use to create diagrams. Okay, diagrams such as flow charts, process charts, organization charts, and the likes. Alright, so without wasting time, let's see how we can use this smart art, all right, in Microsoft Word. Okay, so we need to open our Microsoft Word as usual. So of course we'll go to insert. Under insert, you're going to see smart art. I'm going to click on the smart art. Now this smart art, there are a list of smart art. We have lots of smart art here. We have different types of smart art. By default is on all, so you can scroll to see the design you're looking for. We also have list smart art, we have process, we have cycle, we have hierarchy, we have relationship, we have matrix, we have pyramid. We also have office.com. All right, so these are the different types of smart arts that we have. All right, so I think I'm going to start with the pyramid. All right, so let's take a look at how this smart art looks like. Now by the right hand side, you're going to be seeing the preview of how the smart art looks like based on the one you select. All right, so let's see the different types. All right, I think I like this one, so we're going to go with this. Once you're okay with the one to select, just click on OK. All right, so as you can see, after clicking on OK, we need to start editing the default smart art we selected. So just to edit, just click on where it says text. Now we need to add in our text. All right, so I'm going to use this CIA, that is confidentiality. Okay, then the next one is integrity. All right, and the last one is availability. All right, so if I click outside now, you notice that we just had a very simple smart art, right? We just had a very simple pyramid. All right, so this is just one. Now let's add another type of smart art. So to add smart arts, as usual, we need to go to insert. Under insert, to select smart arts. Then let's say we're going with office.com. That is the last option. Now we just need to select one. So let's assume we go with all right, so let's go with this. I think I like this design. Yeah, let's preview first. Let's see relationship. Under relationship, we have okay, we have this, we have that. Let's go with the last option here. So I'm going to click on this last option, and I'll pick this. Okay, so this is a type of smart art where you can combine your text and an image. All right, so here I'm just going to use this principle. All right, here we can insert an image, but I don't have any image to add up. So here we're going to have vice principal. We're assuming that this is for a school, so vice principal. Okay, now here we're going to have, let's see, admin, the admin department. We also have what's it called, let's say library. And after that, we're also going to have, let's say we have what departments can we add here? Let's say we have sports, for example. Okay, sports department. Okay, now let's assume under this admin we also have some other departments that are under this admin. All right, we have some other departments that are under this admin. Now we need to add their assistant. So how do we do this? We need to just go back to design. Under design, we click on add shape. So you can add assistant, you can add shape after, you can add shape before, you can add, for example, shape after. Can you see I just added one shape? I'm just going to undo it again. Then I let's go back to add shape. Under that, we're going to have assistant. So this is where to add assistant. Now let's add another assistant to the right hand side. We need to just go to insert, then we'll go to shape. Sorry, let's go to add shape. Under add shape, we click on add assistant. As you can see, we have another assistant by the right hand side. Let's add an assistant to spot also. Now to do that, just go to design, then we go to add shape, then we click on add assistant. Let's do same to the right hand side also. To do that, just go to insert. This steps is very simple, as you can see. Ctrl Z, we just need to go to design, add shape, then we'll click on add assistant. As simple as that. Then all you need to do is to edit your text, and boom, that will be done.